Hi, this is Michael from Nonstop Coding, and in this video I'll show you how to learn Japanese language Kanji and Hiragana by AndroidAPPS that you can get from Play Store. But before we do, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated on my latest video. So as you can see, I have my Google Play Store, and in here search in learn Japanese language. Here it is. So before we install this app, let's take a look at the pictures in here. So learn Japanese language, play with your words for effortless learning, learn by images like memory champions, pick up travel essentials, proven effectiveness in game packaging, and so on. Alright, let's go ahead and install it. And while waiting for it to complete, I just want to let you know that Japanese vocabulary learning would be a crazy fun game instead of boring memorization drills. AndroidAPPS makes language learning an effortless fun. Practical vocabulary is bound to your memories through beautiful graphics and quick mini games. So the main features: 100% illustrated features directly carrying the meaning. 5-minute sessions, limiting practice time. Sounds crazy, but it makes it incredibly addictive. Effortless play. Quick keyboard typing, vocabulary only 0 grammar, just handpick practical words. Forge a habit, AndroidAPPS wants to make you language learning addict, and so on, and so much more. Alright, it's done. Let's go ahead and open it. And as you can see, this is the AndroidAPPS application. So we have to create an account, so sign up. So you have to create an account first before you can access the file. So as you can see, you have the option to upgrade it. Let's try it for 7 days, so try it for free. Alright, just skip that part and you will have this option. So pan, okay, pan, it's bread, so pan, okay. Alright, so asagohan is breakfast, so let's put this in our head there, and then asagohan there. So 5 minutes for free every day. So if you want to unlock all the session, then you have to purchase the pro version. So we can only access 5 minutes. Let's try start 5 minutes. So asagohan, this one, and so asa, okay. We're going to arrange this letters, or pull down the letters to arrange it. So asagohan there, breakfast. And next one is kudamono, fruits. Let's put it in our head, and there, kudamono. So kudamono and asagohan. So asagohan, tap the correct choice. Asagohan, it's a food. Okay. Pan, so it's bread. So this application is really easy to use. As you can see, just have to answer it. So let's put it in the brain, and then you'll have to answer it right away. So chizu, let's try to pause it and then check the settings. So when you pause it, you will have this option: resume, pronunciation, hear the words and access listening test, choose writing style, kana, transcription aid, Romaji adaptive, practice writing. So it's enabled, show solution in English, you can enable it as well. Let's also try to access some of the parts. This one here is the timer. Oh, I see. So we only have 5 minutes for the free version. Then after that, you'll have to purchase the pro version to access all the contents. So in here, you have the option. These are the things that we have learned so far. So favorites, tap the heart to add this word to your favorites. Alright. So reset, resume, these are the things that we have learned. Okay, so just tap this one and it will be added to your favorites. There, word added to your favorites. The 3 dots is where you can hide it or view it there, add it to your bookmarks. And this one here is where you can have these options: pronunciation, illustration, translation, spelling, or you can report the issue. So cancel. And then share button, reset, is if you want to reset all the topics that you've learned so far. So let's continue. We still have time. So kodomono, this one, and next is pan, it's bread there. So rearrange the words. And next one is tamago, egg. Just let's put it in our heads. And next is this one. Okay, it's correct. So we just have to answer it in order for us to memorize it. So this is basic Japanese. So if you're starting to learn Japanese, this is for you. Though for the free version, it has a limited access. We are only allowed to access it for 5 minutes, and the rest is going to be unlocked. So you have to purchase the pro version to be able to unlock all the contents. So let's try to skip that part. So we're not allowed to skip it. So these are the things that we have to learn. So this is actually really easy if you're already know some of the Japanese. So I'm not going to continue it since I already know the basics of Japanese. So I'm just showing it to you and how to use this application. And if you're interested to unlock all the contents, then I highly recommend that you buy this application to also help the developers. So if you exit the foods and drinks, you will also be able to see this. So you have the option to go with the specific topics like nature and animals, people, health, cities, business and tech, fun, fashion and clothing. Let's try this. So you can only access some of the parts, the rest is locked. You have to unlock it by purchasing this application. So collection, these are the things that we have learned so far. Profile there, beginner, and unlimited time. This is the premium version, so you have to purchase the premium version to unlock all the contents and also to remove the ads. So that's it for this video, and I hope that you have enjoyed watching this. Thank you so much for joining me, and I'll see you next time.